So you can think that whatever devices they are depicted here in this slide, in all of them, some are embedded systems, some are our mobile phones. So somewhere there C language in the background runs, and robotics related field C language is there. So in mathematical calculations, when you need high efficiency without any overhead, then C language is implemented, or variant of the C language like C++ with objective capabilities, that is implemented, or the tasks are done through their implementation. So if we go to the application and specifically discuss then C language is widely used in system programming, embedded system applications, as I have discussed just now. It requires a low runtime demand on the system resources. For example, if you go for the high level language programming, then there is a layer in between the hardware which is running those systems, those programming languages program, and the programming language itself. So it creates a overhead type of situation which is not there in case of C language. C is often chosen for speed, stability, and near universal availability in case of any programming context if you want to implement. C has compilers, libraries, and interpreters, and they are various compilers, libraries, and interpreters of different programming languages. They are implemented in C. C provides a very thin layer of abstraction because it is closely related, and because of this thing, it is low run time demand, and it require very low resources. Because of this ability that it does not provide a great abstraction, and because of that abstraction, you have the power to control your hardware and do different type of things which your hardware play with the hardware like that. So it also helps in creating efficient implementations of algorithms and data structures. First, they are implemented in C language. Once their programming and other things are satisfied that they are the maximum available, that is the maximum available speed which we can implement through this implementation, then the similar algorithmic implementation is done in other programming language. So it is useful for computationally intensive programs where computation is very high because it doesn't have overheads, or it provide very fast execution of the program. So that's why computationally intensive program, high performance computing programs, cloud computing systems, system resources, they all are implemented in C language. And then C is also widely used to implement end user applications. However, with the emergence of high level programming languages, they are being used differently in a very specific domain. So I hope this thing is clear to everybody. Okay, so this is my social media profile. If you would like to follow, you can do.